Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
How you want to say good morning to everybody?
Good morning, YouTube. How y'all doing?
We're at Mickey D's, y'all. Come to get some breakfast.
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum, yum, yum. So we're here to get breakfast at McDonald's. So we're gonna get us some McDonald's this morning for breakfast. You can go ahead. You can go. So yeah, we're getting ready to get some breakfast this morning, you guys. Adara had her first day of orientation. I dropped her off. I remember taking her to school and dropping her off. But Wayne walked her in for me. Can't believe it. But yeah, so we're getting breakfast. I hope y'all doing wonderful. We are doing great. Okay? So yeah. Just had to come on here and say good morning to you guys.
Some good little eating this morning. How y'all doing, family? Trying to keep a smile on her face through the storm. She's gonna have it all worked out.
Baby, when the enemy tries to strike, but it is not going to prosper here because I've been rebuking him. Y'all know I always say y'all rebuke him, but y'all just keep us lifted up. Right, baby?
Yes, please.
Okay, we can ready to order our food.
No.
We are doing a car mukbang. So I have a sausage McGriddle with egg and cheese, which I usually don't get a McGriddle. I always get McMuffin, so I don't know. I guess I was ordering my husband's food.
I got a bacon.
He got bacon. This is mine. I know y'all already know what McDonald's food look like, but and my husband blessed the food already.
Yeah.
Oh shoot! Still all in my lap, y'all. Now they making this for you don't even order at the register no more. Where you do that at? I guess they do all that food pickup and stuff. It's pretty good. I usually don't get this. Cause I like the McMuffin taste. Got them done. Whew. It was nice outside. I mean, it's hot out there, but nice outside. So, at least they got a little water because they were real dry. Did you water them this morning? The soil looked like it was still kind of damp. Whew. Y'all, this Texas heat don't be playing with nobody, I'm telling you.
Y'all better look, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, baby. He got out there. I was like, that car. Girl, it's clean as a whistle. It is clean. Yes.
Look at these, y'all. Have y'all tried these?
That was hilarious.
Look at these. Dark. They even got the Hershey mix version. They got this right here, this cinnamon toast crunch, and look at this cocoa puff corn. Look at my friend, y'all. Got my friend. Yeah, I took me a shower and for a bubble bath, and hey,
You looking like she just busted it.
hey, yeah.
That little old man got me hyped.
So fresh, so clean. You gonna chew a riding car, you say, Giovanni?
You know,
We're going to H-E-B because Jazar's birthday is this weekend, you guys. Yeah, I took me a bubble bath, y'all. After I got back in from watering my plants. She said, don't give me a... That was Tamika Angel. They plugged in. Now look at my friend when she get in. Again. She riding her caddy, y'all.
but you already know about the dirt stuff. That's the boy in the parking lot said. He said.
Well, those watermelons look good. My husband loves watermelons, girl. We're in another H-E-B, y'all. We're not at the H-E-B that me and my honey was at. Look at these cantaloupes. Look at the baby watermelon. Ooh, look at that cheesecake, honey. Yes.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space.
Look, these are rainbow carrots.
Or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her talking to myself, cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself, cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
Young Apollo with the win.
The steamer.
Oh, it's 49.
Oh, it's $49.99. But these hangers is not bad either for $13.99. They were regular $18. You know I love stuff like this. Oh my God, you guys, look. Hey, look at my partners. Dun, 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 dun. Baby, they really playing, look. That's Jesse and Miles. Hey.
Y'all looking too hard.
Look at, I like these.
And it's not scary looking.
I like them.
Girl, they getting started already. Do you see this?
Look at this Christmas. Ooh, look.
I do like that. That's for Christmas too, the berry.
Uh-huh. Those are the
For
berry.
the people that get started early.
Me. Y'all, look at these. $20 for some LED lights, y'all. Yeah.
Gather together.
You see this one down here? It says Family Forever. That's pretty. Now this one's nice. This one says Home Sweet Home.
Nice sheet.
I like
You
these.
trying to feel like heaven.
I like these. Oh, they got the fall pillows.
That's what I see.
I didn't see these. Girl, look at them. You know I will. Girl, you already know me.
$10 it look like.
I don't know what color I'm gonna do this year for fall.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. Y'all, when I got home last night, I was tired. So I'm sorry that I forgot to show y'all my little mini haul from the stuff that it wasn't a big one, but I'll show y'all the things that the items that I purchased from the store. Also, cause when we got back, it was like almost 9 o'clock, and after I got home, I took me another bath, but I took me a shower this time. And I even had tried to start editing. I couldn't even do that last night because I was so tired. So Adair's off to her first day of work. She had orientation yesterday, but today she has her actual first day of work. I'm so proud of her, you guys. I'm getting ready to log in because it's almost 8 o'clock here. But I was off yesterday, as y'all know. I had so much stuff to do yesterday. I was so tired. I was up early, started early yesterday, and then I had to, I was doing a run around, and then Giovanni came and picked me up. Well, she drove over here, and then she rode with me, so we rode together. She wanted me to go to the store with her, so I was like, well, since we're at the store together, I'll just pick up a few things too. So I did that, and yeah, and then that was it. And so I'm just trying to get my day started today. Just trying to get my mind together because y'all already know it's early, and mornings it's really kind of hard for you, girl. So yeah, I woke up this morning, washed my face real good, and just tried to get myself together so I can get my mind together, because No telling how many emails I may have in that inbox. But yeah, just wanted to come on here and tell y'all good morning, and I will show y'all my haul on my break. Cause like I said, I just got a little bit of stuff and didn't get much, but I did get what I needed. And I hope y'all seen all those things at the store. But baby, let me tell you about the man that we saw yesterday, the gentleman, the old man that was getting in the Corvette. Y'all, me and Giovanni had got a premonition from that. We were saying that God was letting us know that there is no limit to your life or age, your color, whatever, your shape, your size, your high school, you know, if you didn't finish high school or whatever. Like, God was showing us the sky is the limit, baby. The sky is the limit. And that just gave me revelation, because this man was like almost looked like he was 90 years old getting in that Corvette. And the car was just as nice as it wanted to be. But God still had given him life, and he looked like a humble man. So yesterday, God gave me and Giovanni a premonition, like there's no age, no factor of how old you can be, because God will still bless you no matter what, wherever you are in your life right now. And so that was confirmation for me, to let me know that you may be in a storm or whatever you may be going through, but God will still make you shine and look beautiful through it all. So baby, just know, because that man had a beautiful emerald green Corvette with a peanut butter top. That car was nice. Now, he was parked in a handicap spot, and I told Giovanna, she said, girl, that's nice. I said, yes. I said, look at that car. I told her, look at that car. That car had 5 pipes in the back. And she said, it's parked in a handicap. I said, yep. And so I said, girl, that's a sugar daddy. But when he got out, I didn't know he was a sugar daddy. But baby, sky is the limit, honey. When I seen that, I was like, thank you, Lord. Thank you for that premonition, because baby, he got something in store, something great for all of us. Look, little Milo's Pepper's ready for her date, girl. She's dressed up. Hey guys, so I had a few short seconds. I wanted to show you just my few little things that, like I said, it wasn't a lot that I got yesterday, but I did want to show you just a few items that I got from Costco and H-E-B. So from H-E-B, I picked up what's this called, y'all? A squeeze bottle. Excuse me. So I can use it for like when I'm cooking. Put me some oil in here, drizzle it. You already know how it works. Got this Grill Mates Sweet and Smoky Rub. I'm going to use this today on my, if you want to take a screenshot, try that. Giovanni told me that this was really good, so I want to give it a try. I'm making some ribs today for dinner, so I want to see how this tastes on my ribs, so I'm going to give it a go. I got me 1 dragon fruit because I love dragon fruits, y'all. If I love a refresher from Starbucks, I love a fresh dragon fruit, okay? From Costco, I picked up my favorite Famous Dave's signature spicy pickles. They have them now at H-E-B. They carry them. I had a jar last week, but I ate them all up, y'all. I ate all the pickles. So Giovanni was like, you should just get a bigger jar. We go to Costco and get them. So, and they also carry the slice ones at H-E-B if you want them in the slice halves. Not halves, but the sliced pickles. So they have them there, but I got these, and these are so good. If y'all have not tried these, I recommend it. They are really good. And I saw something I really wanted to try. I'm gonna fix this morning for me and my hubby to eat. They're bite-sized pancakes, light and fluffy, by Belgian Boys. And that's what these look like. And this is the back of it. So I thought these would probably be really good for breakfast this morning. So I'm gonna give it a go and see. And so if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, comment. Also, I want to thank everybody that subscribed to our channel. Y'all already know I'm going to be vlogging here and there. So this is not going to be the last video. You already know your girl. But anyway, I just wanted to tell y'all good morning. And because today is Wednesday. And I will see y'all on the next video. Bye!